There is a fascinating, almost invisible psychological war happening right now in the world of personal technology, and it centers around a single question. How much power are you willing to sacrifice for the sake of true portability? For years, the tech industry tried to convince us that bigger is always better. They pushed massive smartphones that stretch our pockets to the absolute limit, and giant, heavy tablets that require dedicated backpacks just to carry around. But a select group of high-level professionals, digital nomads, and media purists realized something profound. The sweet spot of computing is not found in a massive screen that anchors you to a desk. It is found in a device that fits effortlessly in one hand, yet possesses the raw, unadulterated computing power to run a modern business, edit high-resolution video, and handle advanced artificial intelligence workloads on the fly. That is the exact reality we are stepping into with the Apple iPad Mini 8. If you think this is just another casual, minor update to a niche product line, you are missing the entire architectural revolution happening under the hood. You are about to discover why this compact powerhouse is secretly the most disruptive device in Apple's modern lineup, the hidden engineering decisions that make it a computational marvel, and the cold, hard truth about why it forces you to completely redefine what a mobile workstation can be. Let us look at the modern mobile landscape with absolute candor. Most people use their smartphones for quick tasks, social media scrolling, and text messaging. But the moment you need to review a massive architectural blueprint, color-grade a cinematic video file, or manage a complex dataset, the smartphone screen feels incredibly claustrophobic. Your eyes strain, your workflow slows down, and you feel trapped. The natural impulse is to reach for a large tablet or a laptop, but within 20 minutes of holding a massive 12-inch glass panel, your wrists fatigue, your posture collapses, and you are stuck sitting at a table. The iPad mini has always been the ultimate antidote to this digital friction. It is a form factor that feels completely natural, mimicking the exact dimensions of a physical notebook. But with the 8th generation, Apple has stopped treating the mini as a casual consumption device for reading books and watching streaming shows. They have completely injected it with the DNA of their elite professional hardware, creating a pocketable supercomputer that shatters the old boundaries of mobile productivity. The absolute heart of this transformation is the silicon driving the machine. Squeezing a desktop-grade processor into an ultra-thin, highly compact chassis is a thermal nightmare. In a large laptop or a desktop tower, engineers have the luxury of space. They can install multiple fans, routing heat pipes across expansive circuit boards to keep the system cool under heavy loads. The iPad Mini 8 has 0 fans. It operates in total, absolute silence. To achieve this, Apple utilized an incredibly advanced, low-nanometer node architecture that maximizes computational performance while cutting energy consumption to a fraction of traditional chips. When you boot up this device, you are interacting with a system where data latency has been practically engineered to 0. The unified memory architecture means that the graphics processing engine, the central processing unit, and the advanced neural clusters all draw from the exact same pool of hyperfast data. There is no transferring information across slow system buses. If an app needs to render a complex